How to change Xfinity router to 2.4 GHz. First of all, check if your Xfinity gateway allows advanced Wi-Fi settings. Some older models let you manage channels and modes directly, while newer XB6 gateways manage these automatically and don't allow manual changes. If your gateway supports it, you can use the Xfinity app. Sign in with your Xfinity ID, select Wi-Fi, then view Wi-Fi equipment and go to Advanced Settings. After that, select Wi-Fi bands and choose Edit next to the 2.4 GHz band. A window will pop up where you can pick your preferred channel number. Once done, apply the changes and your router will connect devices using that channel. Alternatively, you can use the Admin tool. Connect to your Wi-Fi network, open a browser, and go to 10.0.0.1. Log in with the username admin and the password on your gateway sticker. Navigate to Gateway, then Connection, then Wi-Fi. Edit the 2.4 GHz channel selection. Choose your channel, save settings, and your changes will take effect. So this is how to change Xfinity router to 2.4 GHz. Like and subscribe if this helped.